Hi, this is Mel from Integral Blinds. We're out in a place called Stanion in Northamptonshire, not far from Kettering. Just done a retrofit of some integral blinds and a porch here at this property. So there's the glass that we've taken out there, and they're the units that we've just put in. It has totally transformed the appearance of the front of the building. But if I tell you that these bricks here, that when you stand next to them, you can still feel the heat falling off them. The sun's just going down. The sun's been off these now for probably about an hour or two. It really does get the full force of the sun here, and these blinds are a transformation of this porch and the front of the home. So it looks much tidier than the old blinds that they had hanging there, and we've just simply taken out the 28mm sealed units that you see there, and we've replaced them with SwiftGlide fully featured integral blinds that you see there. And they're operated by magnets from the left and right. So you see a magnet there to tilt the blades open and closed. We've put the tilt controls close together for them here, just so that for convenience they can tilt them. This one has the tilt control on the bottom edge, and this one has the tilt control nearest the door on the right side, on the right side there. So as you see, it is a transformation. Great project. Did have to wait a bit for these this time. Lead time's normally 15 to 28 working days. Slightly over that in this occasion, but I'm sure that if we were to speak to the couple, we're a bit camera shy, Mr. and Mrs. W, they'd they'd all agree, of course, that the blinds were well worth waiting for. If you're interested in discussing with us the project for your home or for your client's home, get in touch with us, 0800 6102 610, or email us at sales@integralblinds.com. Look forward to discussing with you your project very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.